Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I hope everybody that can watch this right now joins me in praying for both of you in the country that don't have power. This is a terrible time to not have power. I'm really sorry for those of you who are struggling right now because I've been 3 days in the winter without power. It is not fun. Not fun at all. We have a generator and we ended up all living in one room for 3 days with a space heater. It was dangerous and not fun. So I hope your power comes back soon, and I hope everything warms up for everybody. We're warming up today. It's gonna be like 12 degrees and it's gonna snow. So, you know, it's a trade-off. Anyway, I've got a lot of things to do today. So the video from yesterday, oh God, you guys, the quality of the sound was terrible because I had to have that heat cranked up, and then I accidentally hit time lapse. I mean, really, if there wasn't one problem, there was another, and then there was a whole section where I thought I filmed and apparently I didn't hit the button. Felt like a Monday. It wasn't. It was Tuesday. Anyway, got the nightstand out and I brought a black table in. You can't see it. Little black table in. It's got drop leaf sides on it. It's actually kind of a tall end table, and somebody painted it black, which I don't hate, except they didn't do it well. So there's streaks and globs of paint everywhere and drips, and I'm like, oh, it would have been cute if they'd done it right. So we're gonna take some sandpaper to it, give it another coat of black. It's not going to be a huge change on it because I like the black. It actually looks very stately, and I'll show you in a minute. But when I saw it, I was like, "Oh, look! I wouldn't even have to do anything to it." And then I got closer. I was like, "Oh, no." Aside from the little scratches and stuff on the top, and like there's some actual gouges on the top, there is like giant puddles of paint, which I don't even understand because it's a flat surface. So if you're painting a flat surface, how did that happen? And did you just not see it or care? I don't know. It's cute though. It's cute. Let me show you. So here it is. To be honest, I haven't even brought the drop leaves up. This has been lashed down ever since I got it. I think this was a side of the road find. Pretty sure I just got this up the road. You can see here, I don't know, that looks like paper stuck to it, so I don't think that's a gouge. This is a gouge. Gouges. Some situation happening here. This is actual paint. This big dot right there is paint. This is wax or something. I don't know. It's just dirty. It's nicked up. It needs some attention and some love, but I think, maybe if I get the, hang on, let me cut it apart. So it was way easier to move with all that stuff lashed down, but it is, oh, it's Ethan Allen. It's a nice Ethan Allen table. You can tell it's like super heavy. Let's see. Oh, it's the old-fashioned twist sides. Hang on. Well, that's a champ. Look at that. It's a nice table. Oh, I love it. I kind of love it. Well, I mean, it needs help, but oh, it's so nice. And it's super tall. So this is just about that much shorter than my actual dining room table. So, I mean, if you had an apartment, this could double as like a eating surface for you. I mean, you can see my office chair. I roll up to it real nice. My knees even slide under the drawer. So it's a good size side table. Forgive the backlighting, but I'm going to give it some love and we are going to make it pretty again. I get some pictures of it, and I don't understand. I mean, Ethan Allen's a nice brand, and then you go ahead and treat it like that. Just check this out. When they painted it in here, it's just like globs in there. Look, what are you doing? Tell me that's not the factory finish. I mean, they did a nice job as far as smoothness on the drawers, but I don't think that's the factory finish. No, because you can see the streaks in here. So, but I don't hate the black. I like the black. I love this handle. I think it's very cute in the black with the handle. They had a good idea, just the execution wasn't very good, and they didn't take care of it. So I'm gonna give it some love, get it back on the floor. Never wear polar fleece and try and manhandle something like this. I'm gonna go change into a t-shirt. I'm gonna have major hot flashes. Holy cow. Super junker. I didn't think I'd be able to wear this till summer because it's so thin. Anyway, there's wax on it. There's candle wax, there's food, there's paint drips. It's just, y'all. And then there was newspaper like stuck to it. I got my noise canceling headphones so I can put an audiobook on, and then, oh, my respirator's out in the other room. I don't want to breathe in what's on there. So I don't always show that, but I should tell you safety is very important. I do have earplugs too, but the noise canceling headphones actually work really well. So most of the time I opt for those, but I have foam earplugs back here on the wall. There's a little package of them for when I don't have these. So I do actually protect my ears and my breathing. And you should too. Here's a fun story to creep you guys out. So I always check my respirator because I once put my respirator on and I kept feeling this tickle. Yeah, there was a spider in here crawling in and out of my nose. So I check it. We don't want that situation to happen again. I don't like spiders. Like, I thought I was gonna pass out after I figured out what it was. It was just one of those, oh, it was in my nose. It literally crawled in my nose. So I kept going, what the heck is, what? Then I was holding it like this and he ran out and I was like, no! That's how you know it's working. Did I say this was going to be a quick flip? I might have, because I just jinxed myself. Yeah, this stuff's like, wait do you see this? See the streaks? As I started to sand, more and more kept coming up. So it's like they painted over wax. Like they dripped candle wax or something on here and then painted over it. Don't do that. I mean, look, there's a lot of it. Whatever it is, it doesn't want to come up. This is fun. This is fun. Okay, I hit it with some goof off. If you're not familiar with this product, don't ever use it on a surface you want to keep, because I mean, I knew this was going to happen, but I knew I was also going to sand afterwards. It softens the paint and the clear coats and stuff like that, so it will damage your surfaces. It takes paint off of just about anything though. And it looks like it made short work of whatever was stuck to this table. So I had a little chemical intervention. And now I'm going to give it just a light sand to smooth out where this has roughed up the paint. And hopefully we can go from there. I might hit this little thing with some goof off again. It still feels a little weird over here. Your hands are sometimes the best thing to figure out where the issues are, because your hands can feel things your eyes can't see. All right, let's do it. The first coat and it's already so much better. It's a lovely table, really. But I'm gonna let this coat dry Definitely needs a second coat. You can see it's uneven, and I don't do uneven like the original owner of this did. And then I'm gonna get in here, paint this. Because this table is black, sorry, I lost my clip. I think I'm gonna use up the triple thick that I don't like because it yellows. So I'm gonna put this over the top. And it's matte. It's a matte triple thick. Be prepared to throw the roller away when I'm done. This stuff yellows like crazy, as you can see from the stuff that leaked out on the bottom here. It's completely yellow. But on the black, it won't matter. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this little number. I have an idea, but I wanna see if what I'm thinking will work over the black, because I don't hate the black. I don't particularly love the black, but I don't hate it. I'm gonna figure it out, but that's drying. I can't clear coat it till it's done drying, and I'm like bored now. I need something to do while I'm waiting for stuff to dry. Can't watch paint dry. I hate to waste product and waste money, but there is just nothing good about triple thick. It's just nothing good. Let me show you. It's just, ugh. It's thick all right, and it doesn't like to roll, and it doesn't like to brush, and it's uneven, it's sloppy, it's messy. I don't like it. I'm just gonna throw the rest of this can out. I hope this dries clear and not white. I'm just so frustrated right now. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.